Alright guys, so we're here at casino, Thunderbird Casino. Dito tayo sa ating regular gig every Thursday. Alright, ito po ang ating band room. Oops. Yan po si drummer boy. Diet po siya kasi meron siyang gout. Ang sarap kasing kumain ng goat. Ang sarap ng papait. Agataki. This is our band room, alright? Yeah. Alright, yan. Tapos na po silang kumain. Hello. Yeah. Mamaya mag-start na po kami ng aming second set. Nagpapalipan lang po kami. Nagpapatunaw. And then 10 a.m. start na po tayo sa ating second set. Ay, 10 p.m. pala. Mali. Alright.
Aray ko!
We're done in our regular gig here at casino. Exit na po kami. Bye guys. Yan, inspection nila, baka may kinuha. Yan si madam mo. Hello to my guys.
A few moments later.
Yan. Nandyan na po si Mr. Gout. Oh. Kamusta naman ang gout mo? Mas mabuti, mas okay. Alright. Babay ka na sa vlog ko nga, Rod. Bye. Okay guys, we're done. We're going home. Until to my next vlog. And good night. God bless. Ingat po lagi. Yun na po ang kanilang BMW. Alright. Bye guys.